Hello students, in this class of physics I will discuss you about a topic echo taken from the chapter sound from class 10th SSC physics. First we will discuss what is an echo. Just like a light, as light strikes to the surface it reflects in different directions. If surface is smooth, obviously it particularly grows in one direction making same angle as angle of incidence. In the same way, sound also reflects. The reflection of sound after striking from the surface of an obstacle may be smooth or rough, anyone, but in case of light, there should be smooth surface. Okay, it means the reflection of sound after striking from surface on obstacle is known as echo. This echo you can heard at the hill station. When you speak loudly, then you can see the reflected sound one, two, or more times. It is the phenomenon of reflection. What is the condition for the formation of echo? There are basically three conditions. First, the minimum distance between the sound source and the reflector from where light will reflect back towards you in air must be nearly 17 meter. If a distance is less than 17 meter, then there will be overlapping of sound and no echo will heard. There will confusion of sound and reflecting sound. Okay. And the next is to hear an echo distinctly, it must reach the ear at least 0.1 second after original sound dies off. If sound comes lesser than this time, then there will overlapping of original sound and echo and there will confusion. The intensity of sound should be such that reflected sound reaching the ear is sufficiently loud to be audible. It means if you are whispering, you cannot hear the echo. Means there should be sufficient intensity of sound. Next, how will you determine speed of sound by method of echo? Suppose there is a cliff and this is a person speaking or speak loudly. Suppose the sound producing by this man travel distance d from this person to cliff, then this sound will reflect back towards the sound source means man, again traveling same distance d. Then how much distance this sound will travel? Double distance means 2d. In case of echo based numericals, you will take the double distance because sound first travel distance d from a sound source to reflector and then reflect back to sound source. Then what is total distance? 2d. As you know, the speed of sound is equals to distance upon time. Therefore, you will use the formula 2 time distance upon time. Okay, you will apply this formula to calculate the speed of sound in meter per second. Now we will discuss what are the application of echo. Bats and dolphins detect their path by producing ultrasonic waves which reflect from the obstacle, and these creatures move safely without colliding with it. This phenomenon is known as sound ranging. Suppose there is a hill and here this bat is flying, then this bat will produce ultrasonic wave. That wave is of high energy. Therefore, this ultrasonic wave almost goes straight and return back towards this bat, and it will detect the path whether there is obstacle or not, and it will change the path if there is obstacle. Okay, this is the phenomenon of sound ranging. Next method is sonar. Next two are the most important in purpose that it may be asked that what is the full form of sonar. Sonar full form is sound navigation and ranging. In this, ultrasonic sound is used to detect the depth of seabed. It is used to determine depth of sea by sending ultrasonic wave towards the bed of the sea. This device basically applied at the bottom part of the ship. So this is sonar. Ultrasonic wave is sent towards bed of the sea where it strike and return back towards same position. Then if a speed of sound is known in water, in seawater, and time of coming that wave is known, then you can detect the depth by using same formula V equals to 2d upon t. Okay. This phenomenon is called echo depth sounding. And the last and most important one is radar. Radar, you have seen in documentary that radar is of this type, the big dish antenna type like this, and there is system producing radio wave. From these radio waves are sent in the space, from where light is returned back, and by mean of this you can detect the presence of obstacle in the space. In radar, radio detection and ranging, this is a full form. This method is used to detect the presence of obstacle. Radio wave signal is sent in the space where after reflection from the object in its path return to radar. By this way you can see that what is echo and what are the application of echoes. The most important one is that how can you calculate the speed of sound by this method. In the next video I will discuss you how you can carry out the numerical problems. Okay, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe it and share it. Thank you.